Get him.
Sweep
Neck
train
control,
on.
fast sweep.
Sweep deck control, go ahead.
Neck control, fast sweep. We've entered special stage 5. WD2BW. This is 5, right? I can't count that high, Kyle.
They should have just named it like the odd stage and the even stage or something
Yeah,
like that.
you know, that would have made a lot of sense. That's why we didn't do it.
So like super odd or super even or feel the odd number.
Yeah. We're on the first one again. Neck control. I lost track of how many times we've run this damn circle.
It seems like we've gone through this thing like 7 times. Can you please confirm?
This is looking awful familiar, guys.
Something's squeaking. It's in the back.
Yeah, something back there is a little rumbly. It didn't like being. Oh, that's it.
What?
For Sandblast next year, I am totally going to get you a because I was inverted sticker.
Because I was inverted.
Yeah, Top Gun. Because I was inverted.
Upside down?
Yeah. Damn near it. Honestly, kind of a miracle, but hey, it is what it is. Okay.
Deck control, 0, you can show us the
Sweep train, choo-choo. Oh, you did it again!
Everything's loose now. Except for the mirror.
Send it.
Let's go.
Whoa, I got the old shit handle back here. I think you can get a spleen or liver injury riding with him too.
I think next year she needs to ride with Aaron.
Stage 6 start, go ahead.
I don't feel like I'm driving that fast.
You're not. Ooh.
It's the road
It's the-
system of
yeah.
the brain.
They've already contacted me, but thank you very much. This is deck control, KR10.
That was neck control's way of saying, shut up and listen. You'll be alright.
This is like just gorgeous right through here.
It really is.
It's like a roller coaster.
I'm not a fan of pine forests, but I mean,
Yeah. The pines tend to fall.
Stage 5 finish, neck control.
in the Carolinas, it's all we have.
Stage 5 finish, go ahead. Do you have a list of finishers at this time?
Okay, now we cleaned off some dirt. Let's get some more out.
Oh, you should see the running board. Did you check out the running board? Oh my gosh.
What running board? You left them behind.
Car 8-4, car 2-5, car 7-4, car 7-0, and one final car, not a final car, but the last car is car 5-1. That's the list I have so far. Thank you very much, finish. KR1ZA net control.
Shit, forgot to ask how many they started.
Can we ask the other one? Oh, we didn't, did we?
I forgot.
I mean, 10 came out of service. There's nothing really can happen between service and the...
Except that mini that got lost on turn 1.
That is true.
I had faith in him until that happened. So what? 64 seconds?
2 minutes into the race.
Yeah, off course.
That wasn't even 2 minutes in. That was like
No,
30 seconds up
yeah.
a hill.
90 seconds after the arrival time.
I don't know which one's worse. Is the fact that you get lost in transit or you crash like within the beginning of the
Right.
actual race? Is that 9:15?
9:15.
Yeah.
Who's still racing though?
Oh, yeah.
Good on him. I'm tired. God, we got like 5 more hours of this. You know what it was Andrew had said, we are back on time. And Kyle said, watch this.
It's just like Kyle to do that.
Yeah, it really is. Don't get me wrong, I'm here for some shenanigans.
I'm just glad.
But when he does it right.
I'm just glad for that guy, and then I didn't hit anything. So.
Yeah.
But I'm afraid I'm gonna do it again. That's what the problem
Yeah,
is.
it's all right. No, well, we learned.
Did we? Did I? Did I?
We're
Did I
gonna
learn?
find out.
We learned how quick we climbed out and left his ass.
Bail out.
Well,
Once the car came to a complete stop, we were out.
no, I had to wait for him to unlock my door. At least he unlocked my door for me. He could have said, nah, you can just sit here and wait.
That's called a hostage.
Yes. I think I could have crawled out the back of it or your door one.
It's this stupid thing in this car. It doesn't unlock the doors until you put it in park.
Yes.
I figured out how to defeat that.
Unlock it yourself.
The unlock button.
It's got a manual override too.
Yeah.
Sir, let's go ahead with control. The question for Andrew.
Yeah, no kidding. That's why.
Go ahead with
Anyway.
the question, sir. We got a co-rider who wants to switch cars because the car he's in is not going to be in. He wants to switch the car that was missing a co-rider. Is that okay?
That's a new one.
Yeah, it is.
I've never heard that one before.
Yeah. Screw this guy. I'm gonna go get in another car.
Dude, you drive awful. You know how many times we went off that cliff?
At least we didn't pull a fast
Oh,
one.
that's fair.
The bad thing is this is like 2 races in a row that I've done something stupid.
We didn't reset the. What did you do? Oh, yeah, the radiator, and then the radiator cap.
No, that was for reset. That was reset. It should still be running. Is it not?
I don't know if I reset it at the.
I just reset it at the start.
Oh, you did. That's right. That's why I don't remember doing it, because you did it. By our powers combined.
Voltron?
Captain Planet.
Control, please stand by. We're awaiting a decision.
Andrew's like, he wants to do what?
You have to like. I don't know. What you have to
That's not an easy switch.
The co-rider switch will be from car 83 to 916.
Oh, that kind of switch.
I copy that. Stand by. We're still awaiting a decision.
I thought that like, dude, I'm not driving. I'm just in the service thing. I'm a crew, and then
I
now
just
want to
wanna
be
get in.
Now I just want to be in.
Oh yeah,
so
no,
now
this
I can
guy
be in.
wants to get out of one car and get in another. Like I said, I'm tired of your shit. I'm gonna ride with Bill, damn it. Co-driver roulette. That's what they need to do. They need to put all the drivers on the left, all the co-drivers on the right. We need to play Red Rover.
You just put the keys in the fishbowl thing.
Yeah, there you go.
Yeah.
Yeah. Whichever key you pull out, the car you get to drive.
The co-driver. You get the car for the driver, and then the co-drivers pull out key.
Yeah.
All right, whose key is this?
Damn it, I have to ride with John again. Yeah.
You know how tiny that thing is? So tight.
Double caution.
We go out, exit out of the orchard and onto the grass. So it's gonna be like all the caution. I'm thinking about sticking it in 4-wheel low and just kind of
buzzing through it. Yeah.
I don't know.
Stop
If
at the spectator area, put it in 4 low, and just.
I don't know if that's gonna help you any.
Oh Lord, here we go again.
Uh-huh. I got it in auto right now. That's what I had it in before. I had it in auto, which might have been the problem.
I gave him the old.
You guys, we have stage 6. Everything looks good to us. M3 CGI.
Arrow clock, 12. Deer.
Did you say deer?
Deer. On the radio.
Oh, not 4 low. Not 4 low. 4 high.
Net control copies. Roaming gear between start point and wall.
That way if the window shatters when we roll, it doesn't get glass
Oh
and
my
it's
God.
down in the door. Got you.
Net control copies. Stand by.
Go ahead and just put it in when you like to kiss your ass goodbye.
No, we got it this time. We learned. Stay on the inside.
I think that might have been the other part of the problem in it too, is the fact that I did stay on the inside.
And slid out.
And I slid out because it was so much off camber.
I put my phone in my pocket so I don't lose it.
Well, if you're really good, you can rub your arm out. Focus on balance.
What should we do about it?
Oh, they're still there.
They picked up the dudes, the
Yeah.
driver and co-driver though.
Control stage 6 start. Car 84 is at the start position. What time?
That spectator spot up top where Hillary is,
Yeah.
does 8 and 9 come, or 9 and 10 of them, do they go through there or that it?
There's a shortcut that they can take.
Copy 1403. K4R access.
What I mean is she, oof,
Have to go through this? I hope not.
no, God no. I mean, she got in there.
Net control.
No, she didn't have to go through that to get there.
No, she went through the thing.
This is it. This
Throttle
is the
out,
spot.
throttle out.
Yeah!
Yes! Look at you.
Like I said, we learned.
Sorted out. Net control KR1CA.
I'm also not in auto.
Right.
You only hit this other one.
Oh.
Stage 5 finish, net control. Stage 5 finish, go ahead. Do we have additional finishers at this time? Yes, sir, we do. We have car 15, car 15, car 64, car 915, and car 916. We
You
still
can
have
hear the
one
mud just-
recorded car still
Yep.
still on stage. Copy that. Please let me know when it arrives at finish. Net control, KL1ZA. KL4BAH.
Just catches in spots. Oh gosh, this one too. That was a catch somewhere.
Oh, shit.
Net control, stage 6 start. Car 84 has started the stage. Copy that at 1404.
Come on. Come on.
Holy hell.
Come on. Oh, I hate the stage. I hate the stage. Totally raceable. Yeah, we can only go like idle.
Net control, stage 5 finish. Stage 5 finish, go ahead. Net control, be advised, we have car 65. We just finished stage 5. That should be the last car. That is affirmative. Thank you very much. Net control, KL1ZA.
Breathe.
Not yet. I mean, yes, keep doing that. It's a good idea. Arrow clock, 10. I know, it's actually 11, but... It's better than like 4:30.
I need to get some food too. We get to stop somewhere.
Not die. An hour service during the changeover.
I know, but we've still got like 2 hours till we get to that point.
I see one heavy sweep. It's good, he made it.
Did we hit the finish yet? Flying finish yet?
No,
Or did I miss it?
no, we haven't.
I think I would like to know, like, how much power gets put to the front of this thing
Yeah. To pull
compared
it
to the
through.
back to pull it out. I mean, I'm used to a front one drop, so I understand pulling myself out
Right.
of a turn, but
Copperhill
like,
Zero, net control.
if I do that, how much is it?
Control
going
Fusar
for?
Triple Zero has been replaced. We are out of service time.
Oh.
1406, 206.
They replaced 000?
Triple or double?
Triple.
Triple.
Net Triple Zero, net control copies replaced at 1406.
Wonder what they did.
Net control KL1CA. Kilo 4, Tango Mike.
Aero clock, 9.
Which vehicle has replaced each?
It was not a 9, it was like a 930.
It was like 928. Split the difference. Meet me in the middle. Christ.
Net control, 000 has been replaced by the Red Tundra.
Red Tundra.
Dave's
Thank you
truck.
very much. Net control
Right?
KL1CA. Kilo 4, Tango Mike.
No, Dave would be deputy clerk. He's in his truck. Where is it?
He could just grab somebody else's car, it doesn't matter. I hate that spot too.